Hi, this is Aletha McManama, your digital marketing maven, bringing you another video blog tutorial, and this one's going to be on how to add your favorite social media platforms to your WordPress blog or website. And today I want to introduce to you how to use the Facebook for WordPress and also the Twitter Widget Pro. So we'll be identifying Facebook and Twitter as the two social media platforms that are most used, and I'm going to show you how it looks like on my WordPress website, and then I'm going to install and configure these two particular plugins on my practice site so you can see how that works. First of all, I've got the Facebook plugin, and how it works is in a number of different ways. First of all, I'm going to show you how it looks like on one of my blog articles. And how that works is I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom of this latest one here, and if you'll notice, you will be able to apply the Facebook like button, the comment box, and also I have on my pages that will pop up on occasion is the like section, where it will identify maybe you may also like this particular page or this particular article because several people have come to it and have liked that page, so that it kind of gives you an idea of some other likes that have been going on my website. Alright, so and then for Twitter, I have at the bottom of my pages I have the Twitter section, and I'm just going to go to one of my pages. This is my blog, so it's not necessarily showing up there. We'll go to my home page and I'll show you what the Twitter Widget Pro does, because it's a widget, and I'll show you that right here. And then there's the widget called Aletha on Twitter, and then you can have as many tweets as you want per widget, but in this case I just added 3. And it just conforms to the style of the theme that I'm using. Alright, so I'm going to go over here to the dashboard for my training or my practice site, and under plugins I'm going to click add new, and I'm just going to type in Facebook, search, and that comes up to the top. Install now. Activate, and then I'm also going to it says you must configure the plugin to enable Facebook for WordPress up here at the top. I'm just going to go ahead and configure it, and the first thing it's going to want to ask you to do is if you haven't already set up an app in your Facebook account or your profile, it's going to show you how to do that. I already have an app set up, and how that works is under my Facebook account. Well, first of all, you can click right here and that'll take you right over to Facebook. It takes you to the apps page, and then you can create a new app, and then you can name it. I'm just going to go ahead and name this one in particular, just to show you how this works. And then the namespace will be WP Success Practice with dashes in between. It lets you know that's available, and then you can click continue. And then it's going to ask you to just identify that this is a security check. And then the app is set up, and what will it need? It's going to need the app ID, and then the app secret right here. And that information, I'm not going to use this particular app. I already have one set up. I just wanted to show you how to do it in Facebook. So I'm going to go back over to right here, and then under WordPress settings, my app ID I'm going to copy from my website, and then that's going to be these numbers here. And then the app namespace, still going to use this one here that I created earlier. Okay, save my changes. Alright, and then I have the ability to use, I want to use the like button, and I can have the send button too as well, so I'm going to select that, and I can go ahead and customize how I want it to look. I'm going to leave it as is for now. I want the comments, and then I want the recommendations bar. I'm going to select both of those, and again you can customize how you want those to look on your page. I'm going to save changes. Okay. And then if I want to look and see if this is shown up, let's just click on the main page. And just check to see if anything has shown up. And sure enough, here's your like and send button. There's your comment box. And then over here off to the right is that like button. And then it'll show up, but nothing's showing up right now because there's no pages that are really identified on this practice site at this time. Alright, let's go back, and this time I want to install the Twitter Widget Pro plugin. Alright, install, activate. And this plugin is going to be under Settings at the very bottom. And then here you'll add your Twitter username. Mine is. And if we want to give the feed a title, that's optional. How many? I want to display just 3 items. I'm just going to type in here what Aletha is doing. What to display when Twitter is down, that's optional. I'm going to leave that blank. And if I want to include retweets, @replies, all of these things can be selected. I'm going to update my options. Now that I've updated Twitter Widget Pro, I'm going to go over to the widgets section. And then under widgets, available widgets, you'll see Twitter Widget Pro. I'm just going to click and drag that up to the top of my main sidebar. Everything's already showing up that I had input earlier to configure the how I wanted that to look. And then if I just click save, if I'm happy with everything that's on there. Maybe I already did that. Okay, good. And then I'm going to go back over to the site. And then you'll notice over here what Aletha's doing. My tweets are showing up. And then because of I think the width of this particular sidebar, it's cutting off, but you'll be able to see the number of followers I have, and you can follow me right there directly from the sidebar. And that will conclude the training on how to set up both the Facebook for WordPress and Twitter Widget Pro plugins so that you can now have the ability to have tweets and also to see any Facebook activity on your WordPress site. Thank you very much.